So we literally just walked out of church and we got an off-road recovery.
Hi, you too.
It's an SUV and it's buried in the mud, folks.
We're gonna have to stop and get some Chipotle before we go and do it.
And we have no choice but to take the old dually. With tires like that, it's probably gonna get Western.
Clicker ticket.
We are not gonna get stuck, babe. Why would we get stuck?
Because we don't have a winch, Wrecker Rick. Because we're in a dually with street tires. I'm pretty sure this thing has street tires on it.
We don't need a winch. I'm a professional. And we got the Lord on our side. We just worshiped all morning. First we're gonna grab some food. Then we're gonna go grab this SUV and get it out. I'll tell you what, folks, we are recovering in luxury today. We've got a full screen GPS. We're en route, so stand by. We just gotta get through all this traffic. Should we let these two heathens out and let them go wrangle a couple of geese? How about all those northern Arizona wildflowers, huh? Sure are pretty.
Three more miles to go. Let's scratch up a new paint job.
We're doing the Lord's work. Babe. Isn't that right, T-Money?
Amen.
Amen. You know, what always amazes me is where people take cars. I know on the camera it doesn't look bad, but it's not good. One thing about it, when you bring all the little ladies along, you gotta take lots of pee breaks.
I'm a thug. I thug it out. We made it to the coordinates, and they're nowhere to be found. Where are they at, Smokestack?
I can't see there.
You can't see him anywhere?
Dayton, get out and start looking for them. T-Money, get out and start looking for them. Well, I guess I'll inch down the road a little further.
Are they friendly?
Yeah. Yeah, them friendly.
You guys got stuck.
We did get stuck.
Yeah, we tried sliding.
Oh.
There's the crocodile.
They didn't offer to pull you up?
They don't have any connect to.
Oh, they don't? Where were y'all headed?
You want to hand me your
There's a
jacket?
Walnut Canyon right here, and for some reason, they made us go that way. I was like, well.
Oh, okay.
And then a biker came by and told us, like, I don't know why it made us come this way, because apparently if you come that way, it's significantly easier to go.
Really?
Google is just stupid.
Yeah.
But we appreciate y'all coming out to help
Yeah.
us.
You bet. Might get dirty on this one, folks. I had to take my gentleman jacket off.
Let me know if you need me to hold your hat.
Hi.
Hi. California, San Diego. San Diego.
I believe we're not ready.
Mom, get your boob wet.
No, I'm not gonna get my boot wet.
Why?
Because I didn't wear the right boots for this. I don't think none of us did.
This is a job for a Wrecker Rick rope. Get yours today.
At
MurphysDieselStore.com first, but don't give it any throttle. Me.
Oh, I'm getting in the car?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll have you steer it.
How am I gonna get in?
What?
How am I gonna get in?
on the passenger side.
Oh boy. I don't do anything?
Huh? Just keep your wheel straight and follow me out. You know what I mean?
Don't run in the back of our truck.
One of us could do it too. Like hop in. Is that what you're saying?
Oh, no, it's a liability because I'm with you, so I have to have one of my guys.
Well, gals today.
Gals, yeah.
It's gals today.
Yeah.
Have to have one of my gals do it. Yeah.
You're gonna have to get the shine before next Sunday.
I'm going for a distressed look.
I thought Wrecker Rick didn't follow trends.
I started that trend. Are you helping, Smoke?
No.
Get up out of here and help me. Give me the rope, Smoke.
It's dead. It's heavy.
Give me the rope. Pull it. Pull it. Pull it. All right, so what we got is we're hooked up. Dually versus Nissan Murano. Smokestack, are we gonna be able to do it? Huh?
Yeah.
You wanna go swimming?
Yeah.
All right, hop in there. Put it in neutral.
Aye aye.
Go swim through the water.
No.
Just
Come
kidding,
here.
Taylor.
Come here, let me hold you.
Why keep her going to the wall?
Do you got the keys?
Yeah,
All right, you're gonna need the keys
Yeah, grab the
to
keys.
start it, babe.
We got T Money behind the wheel of the Murano, and we got Smokestack behind the wheel of the Dually. Ain't that right, Smokestack? Smokestack, are you gonna be able to get it?
Uh-huh.
Stand by.
Are you ready?
Should I put it in neutral now?
Yes. Are you ready?
Should I hold it on the brake?
What?
Should I hold the brake?
No.
Let go?
Yeah.
Now?
Yeah. You think it's gonna go somewhere?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Pretty sure if it was gonna go somewhere, we wouldn't be here, honey.
Well, I don't know.
All right. Just give me a thumbs up. There.
Photo photos.
Just keep it. There we go.
Good job, T Money.
Thanks.
Here's your bandolier. Can you take it to the truck?
Dad.
There you go.
Dad.
I don't want to do that.
I don't want
Who's handling the billing?
Me.
How much did you pay already?
The 585.
You paid $585. So so 600 work.
Sure? I'm very confused.
Does that work for you?
Yeah, that works.
Okay. Well, you're overcharged $580. So put her there.
What? Thank you.
Yeah, it's on us today.
Really?
Yeah.
That's fucking awesome.
You bet.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Holy
Yeah,
shit.
this
This just made it so much better. Yeah.
Yeah, you guys are having a Day, so.
Yeah, you just caught us. We were up here for church. We own this company, Murphy's. So yeah, it's on us.
Oh my God, that's so sweet.
Yeah.
Honestly, you guys are the best. We were having a day.
Well, I hope it gets better. Try not to go that way.
Yeah, you'll
Okay.
be able to have lunch on us now in Flagstaff. So,
I was like, we were going to Fratelli's anyway, so.
There you go.
or you'll spend all that there. All right, well, y'all have a good one.
Yeah.
You too.
Yeah, be safe. No.
Boy, that didn't go as planned. I know a lot of you men out there can relate. It's always better to take the high road, and I'll prove it to you. High road, low road. What is it about us men that's always got to take the low road? In my defense, that is the main road. Somebody went around that mud puddle creating this road and that road. Sometimes you just got to see what your truck's made out of, even if it's a 8,000 pound dually with some 30-inch tires on it.
Good job, Dad.
Thank you. Thanks, Dane. So I got Trenton. Trenton's coming to get us. Trenton's bringing another dually with highway tires on it out here. But the good thing is there's lots of dry ground where he doesn't have to get in the mud and he can just pull us out. Kinetic's hooked up. We're just waiting for him. So stand by. You girls hear that?
It's like my comments. It sounds like it coming.
It sounds like it Cummins.
It sounds like a Cummins.
Well, folks, Trenton made it. Took him long enough.
Here to save the day.
No, I'm just kidding. He's here in like 20 minutes. I know y'all are thinking like, God, why would you do something stupid like that? Well, you can do stupid stuff like that when you got Trenton here in your back pocket.
Yes, sir.
It's all about having a good time, folks.
Sunday Funday.
Sundays are for the boys, and these are the boys.
Say hi, Dan.
Hi.
You're Hazel.
Hi.
All right, girls, stand back. It's
Come
party
on.
time.
Come on.
We got the Ram 3500 in this corner, and we got the Ram 3500
Big booty.
in this corner. In a fight to the death. Who's gonna win? My money is on T-Money. Boy, she popped right out of there.
Smooth like butter.
You alright?
Should I be?
Look at, she's not even phased, folks. I just buried her truck. She's got ice water in her veins. Cool as a cucumber.
It's the Lord's holy day. You're supposed to be happy.
I'm happy as long as my husband gets me a nice little treat
At least we're here together.
for using my truck.
Some people don't have a family.
Not just using my truck.
I got you covered, babe. Just like that. You stay classy, folks.